Well, summer is here, and you know what that means? Swimming and, yes, sweating. Okay, so how would you like to walk out of the pool looking fresh-faced, like your makeup is perfect? How about that? Or how about this? How'd you like to walk across the parking lot when it's 115 degrees outside and your makeup does not run down your face? Well, you know what? All of that just might be possible for you. I'm at Michele Q Permanent Makeup because that is the answer, right, Michele? You are the answer to all of our summer sweating problems. So let's talk about permanent makeup. Kind of explain to everybody the process. What can someone expect when they give you a call?
You got it. So when clients call me, do a consultation, I generally ask them a lot of upfront questions. Have you had makeup done before? If they kind of know if it's faded off or colors, if it's blue, gray, certain colors that I might not be able to work with, what their expectations are, how I do the process if they visited the website, so that they have a lot of information before. I may not be right for them, or I may be the perfect person for them.
Yeah.
But it's a matter of just asking a lot of questions and educating.
That is really a good thing because, first of all, you're on Instagram, which you have some great stuff. You do teachable moments all the time. But by going onto your website, you can really see what the process is and what it looks like and how it can look for you. Let's talk about some of the areas that you can do permanent makeup on because, you know, if you can make our makeup perfect all the time, all day long, girl, I'm in.
Definitely. So can do permanent makeup on eyebrows, eyeliner, and lips. I do not do eyeshadow or blushing.
Okay.
But then I also can camouflage. I can camouflage out scars. I can also do post-mastectomy patients and do the areolas and camouflage back in the color for them to give that to them.
Okay, that's fabulous. You can really do a lot with permanent makeup. It's not just about the aesthetics of it. It's really about the functionality and feeling good about yourself.
Right. So my favorite part of it is not the vanity of it, not the whole exterior beauty, but the shine that it brings out in my clients.
Ooh,
from the inside out.
I like that. Okay, so wouldn't it be great though to just step out of the pool looking like perfect or waking up looking perfect, right? So when we say permanent makeup, I think it's a bit of a myth because it's really not permanent. It lasts a long time, but it does fade over time, right?
Definitely. So the word permanent is not, you are not going to die with it.
Okay, good to know.
It will last many years. You do have maintenance with it, so you do need touch-ups, and you do have to realize that sun will fade it and also products will fade it. So retinol products, AHAs will fade it.
Okay, let's talk about age. Is there any age that you can or can't do?
No, there really isn't an age limit. I mean, obviously someone under 18, if you're talking about that, but no, really age doesn't play a factor. I have a lot of women call me and say, well, I'm 90 or I'm 70, you know, and I'm like, it really just goes off of your skin tones.
And if you are 90 or 70 and want permanent makeup, do it. Go, girl. Yeah, right? And even younger gals are finding it, mainly for the convenience of it.
Definitely. The convenience, the time, saves you money. And again, just having to have a nice, clean, fresh face you can wake up to every day.
It's that summer face. It's walking out of the pool and people going, what? That's a good thing, by the way. I love that.
Who wouldn't want that? I mean, you don't have to bring a makeup bag that's going to melt in your car or the pool, and you don't have to retouch. So you can just look amazing.
And here's what I love about what you've done for us this summer is an amazing special offer. Never before. All right? Thanks, Michele. Here it is. Here is your summer special offer, permanent makeup for brows, eyes, or lips. Just mention Sonoran Living and get $50 off any one new procedure or $100 off any 2 new procedures. Offer expires August 31st this year. Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes, inside Scottsdale Plastics at 9377 East Bell Road. That's Suite 367 in Scottsdale. Call 480-951-0539. Learn more, visit the website, permanentmakeup.com.